YouTube, you see the sweater? All right, Yeezy God sweater. Shout out to my man Gunner. All right, Gunner hooked me up with this sweater. Sweater's pretty clean. Peep it, check it out. Yes, sir. I got a cream color one too that I'm gonna be posting on Instagram. But yeah, man. Link will be in the description where you can find these sweaters at. Shout out to Gunner. These sweaters is kind of hard though, let's be honest. This sweater is kind of hard. They say Yeezy God in orange. Come on, man. Come on now. A Gunner. Again, appreciate you. But in this video right here is inspired by Gunner though. You know what I'm saying? It's inspired by Gunner. This is what I would give Gunner if he was to come get a haircut by me, right? Stay tuned. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Alright YouTube, so before you actually start cutting hair, what you want to do is clean your canvas up, make sure everything is neat before you start cutting. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to part the hair, separate the hair from the top from the bottom, and basically I'm going to mist water in between that parietal ridge section and make sure that it's neat as possible all the way around. Next, using my wall cordless seniors, putting on the 2-guard with the lever fully open, I'm knocking off both. Alright, I'm using my comb to feed the hair into the teeth of the blade to where I could clear everything out. That way it makes it a lot easier for you to set in your guidelines. Now that everything is cleared out, using my Babylon Skeleton FX, I'm gonna set in my bald line. Now, I'm gonna keep that C-cup area, so I'm not gonna just cut into it. I'm gonna leave that alone. That way, I could put a real nice line on it, all right? And I could still see some hairs there. So I'm gonna drop it in the back and basically do the same thing on the other side. Now using my Babylon FX3 shavers, I'm gonna make the bottom half razor bald. I'm not gonna go all the way up to the line. I'm probably just gonna leave like a little bit. That way you can see another transition in your blend and it looks a lot cleaner at the bottom. Now going back with my wall cordless seniors with the lever open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I keep it consistent all the way around. thing with the one guard with the lever open. Only difference is I'm going to be using my comb to feed the hair through the teeth of the blade to get it at that length that I want. Right now, I'm gonna clipper over comb, basically knocking off some of that bulk at the top. Now remember, you wanna keep as much bulk as possible on the top because you wanna have something for the hair to sit on. So right now, I'm going upward, making sure I blend that one into the bulk that's on top, instead of just going sideways, just kinda, you know, taking off everything at the top. Now putting on my 2 guard with the lever open, I'm cleaning up that area between the 1 and the bulk on top. Basically just making sure everything runs smoothly into the bulk. Now working my way back down with my 1 guard open, I'm basically cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2. Now closing the lever on that 1 guard, all you're doing is softening up that middle line to where it'll be easier for you to take it out with the next step. Now that you have the line softened up, it's easier for you to take it out with the 0 guard with the lever closed. In a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Remember, use your corners at all times and adjust your lever as you need to go up. Now with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember, I'm using my corners most of the time, and I'm really working right at that C-cup area, making sure that I don't take too much off to where you can't see the C-cup when I line my client up. Make sure to adjust your lever as you go up. Now lastly is detailing. Detailing is super important when it comes to fading because it separates you from just being an average barber. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror gives you a different perspective on the blend, shows you a different look at the bulk areas, and you know, you're not blinded by just staring at the blend all day. So what you want to do is use your corners, use the teeth of the blade to you know, kind of just break those areas up. You know what I mean? You're not actually taking out those areas, you're just kind of, you know, using the teeth of the blade to use them as thinning shears to lighten up those areas. So now that I'm done with the blend, I'm basically gonna work on the top. I'm gonna spray my client's hair with water. I'm gonna take off about a 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to redirect the hairs over to the bulk and line everything up and cut off all the excess. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
You too, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.